What's good? What's hood? I'm back with another review. This review is on Scentbird Cologne Company. Got it in the mail. I get a package. I get two perfume cologne things for $17 a month. Scentbird. See? Scentbird. I've been ordering from this company for about 5-6 years. I'm definitely satisfied. As soon as I get the package open, I can show you. I know they packaged this real good. Okay, got it open. Got the information card that comes with it to tell you the ingredients and stuff. What's in it, as you can see. All the information is in the back and everything. Let's see what the first cologne is. Okay. And it comes in a nice little case. Get a little carrying bag with it. The case opens like this. And you got the little cologne. The first one is Rough Rider. Rough Rider. That would be this one. Get in this. One comes in a case, the other one doesn't. So you would have to do like I do, collect the cases and keep the cases. That's one, right? That's Rough Rider. The next one is Cambridge Night, English Laundry. Cambridge Night, English Laundry. The next one comes in this type of case right here. You don't have no personal case with it. Good thing I collect mine. I keep mine. Keep your cases when your cologne run out. See? I can't see. I don't have my glasses. I can tell you how many ounces or whatever. But the okay, 0.27 ounces. It has. But yeah, I'm definitely satisfied. And don't forget to like these videos. You want to see more, like, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. I can show you better, I can tell you. Peace.